Hey, it's Vicki with Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois, and today I want to give you a look at this all-new 2021 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack. This is a brand new floor plan. It's the 355Pack14. I'll go ahead and show you right up front here. You do have 3 accesses to the front storage compartment. So you've got an access over here, an access over here, and then a front access. Go ahead and put that up right there, and I'll show you. It does have a generator here. You've got 2 large awnings. They are lighted and powered. I'm not hooked up to power right now, so I can't show those to you, but 2 nice large awnings. You've got the large rear gate. It does have electric jacks and 2 entries. These are glass doors, which gives it a really slick look. We'll go ahead and take a look inside. So right up front here, this is your master bedroom. As you can see, you've got tons of closet space in here. You've got a wardrobe slide and USB ports on each side of the bed, along with outlets. There's one down there. You do have the upper storage compartments. They are side open, which makes it easier to access them. Right outside of your bedroom is your bathroom. Of course, you got your toilet, plenty of storage space here, nice large corner shower, your vanity, and your medicine cabinet. Downstairs in the main living space, you've got opposing slides. So on this slide is your couch. It is the Michelle K recliner set, and it's got the heat setting. It's got LEDs and a massage setting on both ends, and then each one of these seats reclines. On your entertainment center, you've got plenty of space to mount a TV, some storage space, and a fireplace there, along with a radio. And then up top above your toy hauler door, you do have an extra single bunk. Again, I said this is opposing slides, which offers the ability to have this island here. It does have blue LEDs. You've got USB ports and outlets and plenty of storage. Take a look over here. We've got your sink. It's a large single basin apron front sink. Comes with a cover to offer a little more counter space and a pull down sprayer along with a hand sanitizing station. And up above that, you've got some beautiful cabinetry with the textured glass doors. On your kitchen slide, you've got a microwave. You've got a 3-burner Greystone stovetop and oven. And a dual-purpose backsplash. So this magnetizes to the wall. It can act as a cutting board. Or if you've got it on the magnets, it'll be your backsplash for your stove. And then over here, you do have a huge Norcold refrigerator. And freezer. And then up above that, you do have some storage space there. Off to the left of your refrigerator, you do have a decent sized pantry here. And then back here is your garage. So nice large garage. You've got the Happy Jack bunk system. So you've got this bunk up here and this bunk here. What this bunk does is you can fold them flat against the wall to offer more headroom up above, get something taller in here, or you can fold them up and run them all the way up just above this bunk so that you gain a little more side to side room, or you can use them as seating, or they fold out flat into a bed. You also have the party deck. So it has the heavy duty cables that hold the deck in place. You can disconnect these to pull a side-by-side or something in. But if you do want to use it as a party deck, you've got the gate system, and then up top there's a screen that rolls down. Over here, you've got a coat rack and place to hook up a washer. And then right here, you've got a half bath. So of course you got a toilet, a little sink there, medicine cabinet. And then over here, you do have a place to hang towels or coats, whatever you need to hang there. If you'd like to see this unit in person, come check it out at Tri-State RV in Anna, Illinois.